Bittermelon soup stuffed with sliced fish and minced meat mixed with fried eggs, sweet family flavors. Summer has arrived, it's time to enjoy fresh and delicious family meals. Today, we will explore two special dishes, bittermelon soup with stuffed fish sticks and minced meat mixed with fried eggs. These two dishes are not only the perfect combination of rich flavors and fresh ingredients, but also a fortress to protect your family from the heat. A simple meal is a symbol of sweet love, care and family unity. Bittermelon, with its cold and thorny appearance, contains unexpected nutritional values and meanings of love. Each slice of stuffed bittermelon contains a balance between bitterness and sweetness, reminding us of the richness of life, where everything needs each other to be complete. This increases intimacy, warm family meals.
Ingredients to prepare: 2 bittermelon fruits, 1 American corn, washed and cut into 5 cm pieces, peeled the bittermelon, 50 grams of black fungus soaked in water and cut into strips, 6 stalks of green onion, 1 part cut into pieces and the other part cut into pieces. Minced coriander, 5 cloves of garlic and minced purple onion, olive oil, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste. 200 grams of sliced fish patties mixed with chopped black fungus. Put in a bowl, add a little fish sauce, sugar, pepper and minced cilantro. Use a spoon to spread evenly until the fish cake is chewy. Finish stuffing the fish cake mixture into the bittermelon intestine. Boil 150 grams of ground pork in boiling water and drain, then mix with 4 eggs and a little fish sauce, sugar, pepper, chopped purple onion and coriander, all mixed well.
Cook soup. Boil water in a pot. Add American corn and bittermelon stuffed with fish cakes. Simmer for about 10 minutes until the fish cakes are pink. Turn off the stove. Fry eggs. In a pan, heat olive oil and fry garlic until fragrant. Then, put the minced meat and egg mixture into the pan and simmer for about 5 minutes until the eggs are golden brown. Then turn off the heat. Put the fried eggs on a plate and use scissors to cut into 8 bite-sized pieces.
Enjoy. Serve on a plate of fried meat and eggs. Ladle the bittermelon soup stuffed with grilled fish into a bowl. Add a little pepper and fresh coriander on top to create a highlight and add flavor. These two dishes are great served with hot white rice. Bittermelon soup stuffed with sliced fish cakes and fried mincemeat with eggs is not only a delicious and nutritious meal, but also a fun and exciting adventure. Each bite brings a special and satisfying feeling. They not only cool the summer heat, but also create memorable and warm moments with loved ones. Let's enjoy delicious meals together and share beautiful family memories. See you again at parties with more joy and happiness.